Check out this Screen Cleaner 2-pack kit by Calyptus. In this video, we'll break down what comes in the kit, and then we will clean a television screen and one very, very dirty toddler's iPad. The Calyptus Screen Cleaner kit comes with 2 4-ounce bottles of screen cleaner. It comes with 2 sets of cloths. You get 2 of these green ones and 2 of these black ones. The green ones are pixel shining and the black ones are heavy lifting. And as you read the instructions, it says to start off with this spray and then use your heavy lifting microfiber cloth to wipe the screen and then polish it essentially with the pixel shining cloth. However, it's a little confusing because when you read the bottle, they actually tell you some different instructions. They tell you to actually spray the shining cloth 2 to 4 times and then gently buff in this first area for the phone screens or lighter jobs. And for larger screens, you spray the Calyptus lifting cloth, the black one, 4 to 10 times and lightly wipe in a sweeping pattern and then buff. So this set of instructions tells you to spray the screen. This one suggests that you should spray the cloths themselves. I don't think it really matters that much. I imagine either way you do it, it'll work just fine, but it's just kind of funny when you see kind of contradictory instructions in a product instruction set. So we're going to try out this cleaning spray. It comes in a 4-ounce bottle. We actually got 2 4-ounce bottles in the kit. So 4 ounces isn't very much, but honestly, I don't think you need very much of this product to clean a screen. And then we're going to use the heavy lifting cloth. This is the black heavy lifting cloth, which you use first. And then the pixel shining cloth comes up as a follow-up just to buff and shine the screen on our display here. So let's try it out. It might be a little hard to see because a screen is so shiny and is so reflective that it's hard to see some of the smudges here, but I can see them from my angle and hopefully from your angle. We'll come back after the fact and see how well it cleaned. So we'll try it up here. This is where a lot of it happened, and also on the sides where there were some fingerprints in place. And so we're going to use this. Might as well just do the center too. Why not? We're at all right, so we'll use the heavy lifting cloth, and they say to go in a circular fashion. And one thing I'll say is that the product has almost no smell whatsoever. This does not smell like your typical glass cleaning product with a heavy ammonia smell or a chemical smell or anything. This uses natural water, very ultra purified water, some plant-based cleaners, and just a preservative to make sure that those plant-based cleaning products don't become deteriorated at all. And honestly, that looks 100% better already. I can already tell you right now. But I'm going to go back with this polishing cloth, the pixel polishing cloth, and see if we can make it even better. So, okay, that looks really nice, but I'm going to kind of get to the side of it. That's where you can really see those marks that were on there previously. And honestly, all I see is just sort of a black expanse. I see no smudges whatsoever. That looks great. Okay, and this next test is going to be on a toddler's iPad. And I will say that this toddler's iPad gets used heavily every day, and it has a lot of smudges. This case that I have on it does not have a screen protector on it. It is just the glass facing on it. And you can probably see already just how fast that cleaned up with just the spray and the heavy lifting cloth, which it definitely needed a heavy lifting. And then we're going to just go back over it with the pixel polishing. And wow, that looks a lot better. It was filthy. So I think they put together a terrific kit for people who need to clean their television screens, their laptops, their iPads, phones, or even the screens in their car. Uses natural ingredients and very purified water to clean our screens so it doesn't leave a heavy smell behind. It does a great job. I give this one 5 stars, and I would recommend it to anybody looking for a cleaner screen. Thanks for watching.